everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about consolidating subscription billing in Odoo 18. So Odoo 18 offers a streamlined way to consolidate multiple customers' subscription into a single invoice. This feature simplifies this billing process and improve efficiency. So to enable the consolidate subscription billing, let's dive into the sales module. From there, we just need to head into the configuration settings. So from there, we can just enable the consolidate subscription billing. So as you just move on to the settings, here you can see that you can just enable that features to manage with the consolidate subscription billing. This consolidate all customer subscriptions that are due to be billed on the same day on a single invoice. So when you just manage with the consolidate subscription billing, you just need to ensure that the customers just belong to, the customers are same, then only we can just merge all those subscriptions orders and make into a single invoice. And all those invoices must be to be built on the same day. Now let's move on to the orders, and under the orders you can find the quotations, and here you would be able to find different sales orders. And as you just choose these orders, you can see that these are the subscription, and here you can see the subscription plan is given over here. And now you can see that these are the two customers. So even if you try to consolidate this, you can consolidate, but the the invoice will be created separately. This won't be merged as the customers are different, but this must be invoiced on the same day. So in this case, you can see that here we can choose the create invoice, and as we have selected only two sales order, you can see the order count is 2, and we have just enabled the consolidate billing, and you can just create the invoice which will be in draft state and which will be created in separate way. Okay, as separate invoices as the customers are different. Now let me just consider one more the order, subscription order. So let me just duplicate this, and you can use the same customer itself. So afterwards, you can just confirm this, and again, let me make it duplicate, and let's confirm this, and you would be able to find we have different orders generated. Now you can see that these orders have the same customer, and we can just create the subscription billing as the customers are same, and we are just going to invoice it on the same day. So as you just click on create draft, here you can see that a single invoice will be created by merging the items in different sales order. Now you can just click on confirm so that the draft invoice will be moving to the posted state. And that's how we just deal with the consolidate subscription billing, which is a feature that just introduced in Odoo 17, and it's also available in Odoo 18. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.